Welcome to the Padhai Kar Lo JEE preparation channel. You can practice more problems on this exact topic on our Padhai Kar Lo Android app, link in the description below, or on our website padhaikarlo.com. Today's topic is the distance of a point from a line, building on the angle between lines formula. Let's begin. As a quick recap, the acute angle theta between two lines, with slope me2, is genuinely given by tan theta equals the absolute value of m1 minus m2 all over 1 plus m1 m2, always using the absolute value to correctly get the acute angle between them. Two lines parallel exactly when their slopes are equal, and genuinely perpendicular exactly when the product of the zigzag of their flex equals -1. These two special cases follow directly as limits of the general angle formula. With this quick recap done, let's now build the genuinely new and extremely useful tool, finding the perpendicular distance from any given point to any given line. For a line written in the general form x plus b plus c equals 0, the perpendicular distance from any point 0, 1, y1 to that line is genuinely given by d equals the absolute value of x1 plus b1 plus c all over the square root of a squared plus b squared. This formula is genuinely derived by dropping a perpendicular from the point directly onto the line and computing its exact length using the line's own direction and normal vector. But for JEE purposes, the formula itself is genuinely what matters most. Simply substitute the point s coordinates directly into the line's equation, take the absolute value, and divide by the square root of a squared plus b squared. This exact same formula also genuinely gives the distance between two parallel lines, by picking any convenient point on one line, and finding its distance to the other. The single most frequently tested JEE skill here is genuinely converting a line given in slope-intercept, or points general form x plus b plus c equals 0 first, before applying the distance formula. Attempting to use the distance formula without this conversion is genuinely one of the most common sources of error on this topic. A frequently tested trap involves genuinely finding the distance between two parallel lines, ax plus b plus c1 equals 0, and ax plus b plus c2 equals 0. Notice these must genuinely have the exact same a and b coefficients to actually be parallel, and their distance apart simplifies directly to the absolute value of c1 minus c2 over the square root of a squared plus b squared, a genuinely useful shortcut that skips picking a specific point entirely. Also remember that the distance formula's absolute value means d is genuinely always non-negative. A computed negative distance immediately signals a calculation error somewhere. Let's recap. The angle between two lines uses tan theta equals the absolute value of m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2, with parallel and perpendicular as special cases. The perpendicular distance from a point x1, y1 to the line ax plus b plus c equals 0 is the absolute value of ax1 plus b1 plus c over the square root of a squared plus b squared, and the same formula gives the distance between two parallel lines using their constant terms. Converting to general form first and applying S1 formula correctly are the key skills this topic tests. That's the distance of a point from a line. Keep the general form conversion and the parallel lines shortcut sharp. They're the fastest way to handle distance questions across the entire coordinate geometry syllabus. If this video helped, please like it and subscribe to Padhai Kar Lo for more JEE preparation content just like this. See you in the next one.